Today I'm going to show you everything there is to know about the quarter note rests and quarter notes. Hi, my name's Anne Plummer and welcome to Your Town Musicians, a music school to build your music skills to connect with other people. Hit the like button if you enjoy this video because it helps other people find this information. This is a crotchet, also known as a quarter note. This is a crotchet rest, also known as a quarter note rest. The pattern of quarter note rest followed by quarter note is extremely common in popular music. When you clap along to your favourite music, you're probably clapping a quarter note rest followed by a quarter note. Whether you like dance music, jazz, country, hipster, heavy metal, or blues. Let's go outside. Blob, stem. To write a crotchet or quarter note, draw the note head first, that's the little blob, then add the stem. For the rest, go right, left, right, and around, like a letter C at the bottom. Practice if you can find some manuscript paper. The main thing is, with the blob, make sure it's either cutting through one of the lines or is within the space. For the rest, start in the top space and end up in the bottom space. If you don't have access to manuscript, you can still practice writing. It doesn't matter how messy you are. That's perfectly readable. Here's Beethoven's handwriting. This is his sketch for one of his cello sonatas. Here's his quarter note rest, and here's his quarter note. Time for a little practice. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three, 4. I'll give you 3 in. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to make it harder. So tell me which one I'm clapping, A or B? Three, 4. Well done, you did some great work today.